we have to cut the brain into two halves. In order to cut the brain into two halves, you have to identify the longitudinal fissure. So carefully separate the longitudinal fissure. And if you notice, there's this thin film that adheres or sits on top of the brain that actually connects to the longitudinal fissure also. That's called the pia mater. Okay? You're going to carefully break apart the pia mater. When you break the pia mater, or when you separate the pia mater, then you have separated the right and left cerebral hemispheres. Carefully separate the right and left hemispheres until you see a band of white fibers below the cerebral cortex. This is called the corpus callosum. You are going to make your incision with your scalpel through the longitudinal fissure, through the corpus callosum, through the cerebellum and brainstem, and through the spinal cord. Your goal is to make two equal halves. So as you begin to dissect, always cut away from your hands. Never cut towards your body, never cut towards your hands. So again, carefully separate, take your scalpel, and cut as best you can in one motion without serrating the brain. So now we have two equal halves. Okay.